I choose to reshuffle it 3y minus 12 plus xy minus 4x. Also can, right? Many ways to reshuffle. Clear? So I factorize these two. So what is common for this? 3, right?
Yeah.
Take out 3, left with what?
Left with y minus 4.
Very good. Then
This one
plus
4 plus y.
What is common?
No, sorry. 3 times 4 plus y.
Okay, what is common first?
3.
No, this is xy, this is minus 4x.
I'm going the wrong way. So then
It's not the same as yours, huh? It's not the same as yours. Okay,
x y
according to
minus 4.
yeah, x then
Y minus 4.
y minus 4. Okay? If you reshuffle it this way, it's very easy. Now, what is common? Y minus 4 is common, right? So answer is 3 plus x. Okay, this is one way to reshuffle them. Alright?